Welcome to Chef Daddy and the Baker Boys. Today we're going to be making a vanilla birthday cake along with some cupcake batter. So we're basically making a larger batch than we need, so we can use half of the batter for an 8-inch birthday cake, which is going to be the base of Isaac's vanilla with whipped cream and strawberry birthday cake. And then the other half of the batter we'll save and make cupcakes tomorrow for his Grammy's birthday. So right now we're going to have Isaac read the ingredients for this recipe.
Ready? 6 ounces butter softened, 2 eggs, 1½ cup sugar, 2½ teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 2½ cups flour, 1/4 cups milk.
So we have our 6 ounces of butter already ready and soft in this bowl here. We're going to start with the sugar. Please don't do that, Sammy. Thanks. So we're each going to take 1/2 cup of sugar and pour it into the batter. Go ahead, Sammy.
Yummy. This is yummy sugar.
Always. Go ahead, Sammy. 1. Isaac does 1, please.
I'm dirty, but that's I'm dirty now, right now.
Okay, and we'll do 1 also.
One more pink. One more pink.
Okay. We're going to mix this really good, guys. You're going to hold the bowl and you're going to do it?
Can we eat butter today?
You could eat butter and sugar, but it's not the best combination. Really wait till we bake the cake, it'll be more delicious.
I love helping you, Daddy.
I love having you help, sweetie. Okay, really nice. So get it nice and fluffy. If you have a standing mixer, you can always use your KitchenAid for this. I like the workout it gives us. I'm using a whisk. Now having the butter soft makes it a lot easier to combine the butter and sugar, and also makes for a smoother batter.
This is harder.
Let's see for 1 second. All right. Now it's pretty well mixed. We'll get our flour set up, our flour mixture, okay guys?
Yeah, this is cool.
Leave it please.
Can I eat it?
You don't need to eat the butter and sugar, sweetie.
I'm just
Taste test, just in case. Okay, so we'll each put 2½ cups of the flour in here. And then Daddy's gonna put 1½ cups. So, Isaac, put 2, please. Good. Oh. Your water bottle? Sure, buddy. In just a moment. I'll put that for you. And then I'll put 1. And now I'm going to have you guys each put a teaspoon of baking powder in there. Which is right here.
This is going to make a really good vanilla cake.
It is. Just like the one we did for your birthday last year.
And you're the best.
Aw, thanks, Isaac. 1 for Sammy, 1 for Isaac.
Sammy's the best brother ever.
Good.
Sammy, you're the best
And
brother
I'll put a
ever.
half.
Sammy, you're the best brother ever.
And then we're going to put a little bit of salt.
Raspberry.
Can you hand me the salt, please? Thanks, love. So we're going to put just a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Sorry, go ahead and open it. Pour just a little bit. That's good. I know they always like to, if you've watched any of our videos, you know that Chef Isaac and Chef Sammy always have to make sure that the salt is properly salted.
It's salty.
Very important. It's salty. Good. Now can you pass me the vanilla too, please? So now you're each going to pour 1 teaspoon of vanilla into the batter. You would think we don't feed him, but we actually do.
We just need something to cool us off the salt.
Pour a teaspoon, please, of vanilla. And then, now we're going to pour the eggs in also.
Eggs.
Good. I'll hold the bowl if you guys want to mix. And try and go side to side also, to mix it and not splash too much. Go ahead. Good mixing, guys.
How's that?
That's empty. It's good, sweetie.
Dad, did you bring more?
No, we don't need any more. That's good enough.
There.
Good, let me get one.
Whoa, where did that reduce? That's a more reduce.
It does kind of look like orange juice. I agree.
Kind of looks like we could eat it.
Okay, now let's not do that.
Let's
Let's take a nice scoop of the flour mixture first.
I wish we could lick it off of the bowl.
Mix this slowly, guys. Because you don't want to mix it too fast or the flour mixture will go everywhere.
We should use the mixer for this.
We'll use the mixer for the whipped cream. Because we're going to make our version of a strawberry shortcake. We're going to use the vanilla cake, fresh strawberries, and fresh whipped cream.
That
And
looks
that's what
like we
Isaac wanted
could
for
eat
his
it,
birthday
Daddy.
cake.
Did you eat
And then
this?
pour some of the milk, please.
Should we eat this? No, Mom.
No, we should eat it when it's cooked.
But it looks like we should eat it. Eat the table. Eat the table.
What is it, sweetie?
Eat the table.
Is it a vegetable?
Now I don't want to eat it. It's so drippy and I don't want to eat it now.
That's as we get the milk incorporated. Makes it a little easier to mix. Let's add, we'll do this in a moment. Let's do some more flour mixture, please. Okay, let's mix it. This cake is pretty versatile. You can also mix chocolate chips, make it a little chocolate chip cake. As I mentioned, you can make cupcakes. We're not going to make a chocolate chip because it's Isaac's birthday and he's the one who wanted the vanilla cake. For your birthday, we'll make you a chocolate chip cake.
But you don't get to choose what my cake is.
Oh, and then pour the rest of the milk, please. Watch your hands, Sammy. Thank you. We're going to end up making an 8-inch cake and about 10 cupcakes.
Smells yum.
Good.
Looks like I want to eat it.
It's going to be delicious.
This looks like I really want to eat it now. Even though it smells
pour the
like
rest of this.
vanilla, I really want to eat it.
Okay, let's make this is the end of it.
Dad, I really want to eat it.
You're going to eat it for your birthday.
But no,
With
wait.
the fresh whipped cream and
But I
strawberries.
really want to eat it right now.
All right.
I really
What do you guys
wanna
think?
eat
Is it looking
right
pretty good?
now.
Should we make it go one nice more mix? Here. Let me have for 1 second.
I got
And
some.
one more nice mix.
I tasted some.
Okay. I'm going to get us a
But
spatula.
I really want some.
Come on. I'll get you guys something that's already baked. We have plenty of desserts that are already baked we can eat instead of
Which one?
cake batter. We have some Jewish apple cake, which we taught people to make recently.
Cake.
We have
And
blueberry peach cake. We
we have
also
some-
showed how to make that.
we have some cookies.
We have some chocolate chip cookies.
Can we have one, please?
Lots of delicious stuff.
Can we have a
So now, not yet, Sammy. In a minute, we're almost done. Then we're gonna spray the pan.
A pizza? No.
I like to line the pan with a piece of parchment paper, just to make sure it comes out nicely.
No little nugget. No little nugget. No little nugget. How was that?
baking scale. Now prior,
She likes it.
prior to starting, I measured the weight of the bowl, so I know how much batter is in there.
No little nugget. I said no little nugget. The same.
Okay, so we want it to be up 1 pound and 7 ounces. Okay, we're gonna look for 1 pound and 7 ounces of batter. You guys ready?
No little nugget. No little nugget. No little nugget. No little nugget. No
Okay, so we'll reserve the rest of the batter for tomorrow, and we'll make some
laugh at me.
cupcakes. And now we're gonna reserve the rest of the batter for cupcakes to bake tomorrow. In the meantime, we'll bake this 8-inch cake for about 23 minutes at 375 degrees. Check back for the completed project later on. We'll have Isaac's fresh baked strawberry shortcake. And you can also find the full typed up recipe in the description of our YouTube channel. Thank you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Isaac. Happy birthday to